If you're adding a watermark to protect your video, but you still want it to look cinematic instead of basic and flat, let me show you how to create a clean mirror reflection effect in CapCut PC in just a few minutes. Here's the before and after. Let's build it.
Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Step 1. Import your main video into the timeline. Now duplicate that clip. Place the duplicate directly above the original on a higher track. Step 2. Go to Text, then click Add Text. Type your watermark. Position it exactly where you want the reflection to appear. Now change the text color to any bright, solid color, preferably something that stands out from your video, like green. Next, open shadow settings. Set shadow opacity to 100%, then increase the blur to around 12%. This prepares the text for the chroma key step. Step 3. Select both layers, the duplicated video clip and the watermark text. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Now everything is merged into one layer. Step 4. Select the new compound clip. Go to Remove Background, then enable Chroma Key. Use the color picker and click on the green text. Now adjust the intensity and shadow sliders until the green disappears completely. Take your time here. The cleaner this step is, the better your reflection will look. Step 5. Create the mirror illusion. Now select the original video clip on the bottom track. In the preview window, drag the video slightly downward, just a little, to create the mirror illusion. You can adjust the distance depending on how strong you want the reflection to appear. And instantly, you'll see the reflection effect appear. Clean, subtle, professional. And that's how you create a mirror watermark effect in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like. It helps more creators discover the video. And if you want more clean, professional video editing effects, subscribe to my channel. I've got more coming.